Hello guys, today I got sent this adapter from Tesla to J1772 and it features to be able to handle up to 80 amperes. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Inside the box we actually have a little bag, to carry the adapter. Okay guys, so this is the adapter that comes inside the box. If you can see, the material and the quality seems very nice. Look at this lock button right here. I mean, this plastic is very thick and it looks very durable. I mean, you can definitely tell that this adapter is very good quality. This is a Tesla regular charger right there, and this is the other end. Okay, this is a J1772 plug. Okay, this actually fits most of the US electric vehicles. Okay, so what you're gonna simply do, you're gonna simply snap it on like that. Okay, if you can see, it's already snapped on, and this part right here will actually make sure that it's locked and it stays in place. Now on the bottom right here you will have a lock feature, so that way you can go ahead and lock it in place and you can actually snap it off. Now if you actually pull it up, now you're able to snap it off right away. Very simple product, very handy. I mean, it's a very nice thing to have, because if you are a J1772 electric vehicle owner, you actually can use one of these to actually charge at any of the Tesla supercharger stations and charge your car. Most of the stations have less wait time. Okay, I hope that the information was helpful. I definitely thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.